We're here today to discuss another brand new item fitting the Honda GL1800, F6B, as well as the Honda Valkyrie. This particular item is going to be our LED Tridium Fog Light. This Tridium Fog Light features a light that is more intense and brighter by 200% from what our current LED fog lights have been. This fog light will offer you a running light, a turn signal, as well as your fog lights. Right now you can see the running light. When I flip the turn signal on, it will shunt the running light on the same side that the turn signal is turned on. You also have your fog light. The fog light is still operable with the switch that is mounted in the dash. This particular kit is plug and play for 2006 and newer Honda Gold Wings. On the 2001 to 2010 models, it will require you to purchase the rectangular lower cowl, part number 52-908, seen installed in this bike. If you have any further questions on the Tridium Fog Lights, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE, and be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.